Hello! Right, now for something completely different. All of you guys with foam aircraft, sooner or later, as you know, they hit the ground. Well, what happens is this. This is what it should look like, this piece of foam. I've broken it, similar to what you get in a crash, as you can see. It's completely misshapen. Yeah? Gluing that together, it ain't gonna work. There's an easy trick. Stick it in some hot water. Hotter the better. Preferably without burning your fingers. Basically all the cells have got air trapped within them, so if you warm it up, those cells expand, and what then happens is your crushed piece of foam will then go back to, close anyway, the original shape. So what good is this? Well, you've got a striker that has this happen to it. As you can see here, the foam is crushed in this area and it's a clean break underneath. Same on the nose. You can see underneath where it's crushed and there. So if I was to put it straight back together, yeah, your average hook nose striker. Not very good, is it? Right, same thing again. Hot water. Give it time to warm up and expand. What you can do as well is actually pour boiling water directly over it. That works quite well. And with a bit of luck, this is what happens when you're not paying attention and you're a bit close to the ground. And you're not too sure which way up you are. Splat. Don't take long. Right, let's see what we got now. Better, yeah? Bit more heat, we should be there. I'll get some more water. Right. Right. What you'll see as it warms up, all the cells expand slightly. You can see some little bubbles come off it. That's when you know it's working. What you may get is the surface texture will get a little bit lumpy instead of being flat, but at least it will be usable. Right. See what that does. There you go. How's that? That's not bad. That's pretty damn straight now. There you go. Now just let it dry off. Mix up some glue, some epoxy or something. Job done. Easy as that. That's the beauty of foam. Same with that. If it doesn't come out quite straight, give it a bit longer. And 9 times out of 10 it comes back a good 90-95% perfect. Good enough to glue anyway. I've got a Catalina I've done this with, very thin wall, completely crushed, completely out of shape, dipped it in a bucket, hot water, pulled it out, perfect. Just let the pieces back in, it's like a jigsaw puzzle, everything fitted back, exactly where it was. Dead straight. Oh, it is hot. Not quite. As you see, it's a hell of a lot better than it was. Simple as that. That's the hot water method of repairing your foam models. Signing off.